If you want to make extra money for the holidays, stick with me. I'm going to share the best side hustle to make extra money fast and easy. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been a full-time side hustler for longer than the term has been around. I haven't worked a real full-time job in over 20 years. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. So you hear the term side hustle all the time. It's just a way to make extra money. With the current economy, more people than ever seem to be looking to side hustles, even those with full-time jobs they once thought were sufficient. And now with the holidays quickly approaching, even more people are looking for extra income. There are all kinds of side hustles. The problem with most of them is you end up trading your time for dollars, and most people just don't have much extra time. I know they're popular, but who really has time for things like DoorDash or Instacart, where you deliver food and groceries, even if you can make some extra money? The same for Uber or Lyft. It's just trading time for dollars. It's almost like having another job. Plus, as crazy as the world has gotten these days, who's really comfortable having strangers in their car? There are other side hustles too where you trade a talent or skill for money. Things like tutoring, blogging, or maybe online freelancing. But those are limited to those few with that special skill. Well, I want to share my favorite side hustle. It's super simple. Anyone can do it. No previous experience is needed. Everyday people all over the world are having big success with it in just minutes per day. It can be done entirely online from wherever you want to be on a schedule that you choose. No more trading time for dollars. This side hustle lets you really leverage your time. It only takes a few hours per week, whenever it's convenient for you, from wherever you want to be. Thanks to the automation, I even do it while I'm sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter, and I'm able to do that most days while others are busy at their jobs. In this side hustle, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. I like getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. And this side hustle pays recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. Excellent training and support is provided. We teach our team how to market this for free, no hidden expenses or other surprises. It's super affordable to get started too. And no, it's not one of those MLM things where you have to buy products. I will mentor you personally. I'll be here to help you every step of the way. Nothing will be left to chance. To learn more, go to my website now at easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.